back to another studio vlog. I just want to start with this. The last video that I posted has been doing amazing. Yeah, I know it's not a crazy amounts of numbers, but for me it is amazing and it is giant. Thank you so much for everyone who watched my last video. Thank you for everybody who subscribed. And thank you everyone, just your support, it means a lot to me, and it's just a lot. So I'm really thankful. And like I said before, if you love this, if you like the content that I'm putting out and you enjoy watching and you would like to support, please don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you can be notified once there is another video. But thank you so much. It honestly was like amazing, and I am so happy and just so excited to just keep making more stuff and just keep creating. So anyways, on this video I'm going to be showing just another packing the orders. I have two exciting, really exciting things that I'm really excited to share with you guys, and I'll talk about it in a little bit. But just as always, hope you guys enjoy this video and just keep on watching. I haven't done that in a really long time. Ignore the blankets in the background. Erase. Edit. Anyways, so I decided to do another crazy, amazing thing. Oh my god, I am so excited to share this with you guys. I am creating another enamel pen. So Sunday, I was so busy. I was just trying to like get everything done and get everything like set. And I turned in another I guess order for another enamel pen. So I am so excited for that. I am so excited for you guys to see it. Let me show you guys. So here it is. It's this beautiful, come on, focus. Oops. So here it is. Let's get into focus. go. There's this beautiful little pink coffee, and this time in the back it's gonna have my shop name. So I'm really excited for that. I am so excited for this. Honestly, like that other pen I did, and I will always and forever love my sunflower. But this pen, it is so pretty, and so you could say that I was inspired. I was inspired by The Office. So when you see The Office, Pam has a pink coffee cup, and so I was like, I love the idea, and I wish I could have one exactly like hers. So that was kind of my inspiring thought of just making a little pink coffee cup. So I'm really excited for it. It is just in the starting time, like first stages, so obviously it's gonna take a little while for it to get back and to actually be out there, but I'm so excited for it, and I'm so happy that I'm gonna be able to add another pen, and eventually hopefully I can keep adding pens to the collection aside from other ideas and other items that I have that I'm super excited for. But honestly, with the support and everything and all of this coming together, I am giving the opportunity to be able to create all these items and all these little amazing things that just make me really happy. So yes. Another thing that literally just came out of random while they're having the idea is that I wanted to create a cute little sticker that I could like throw in with all my orders. I've been just kind of cutting in some of the ones that I have and just throwing in 2 tiny little stickers, but I want to make a special little sticker that's going to go with my orders. So I created one literally out of the blue as I was waiting for my computer to load some of the videos. I was able to create it, and I'm so excited. Now it's so cute, and honestly it's funny because I feel like I've been into creating things that are kind of pink, so I don't know, but it's really, really nice. I want to show you guys how I created it, and then let's make some copies so I could go out with the next order. So if you order anything from my shop, which the link is down below, you will be getting one of these free little stickers. this is going to be it for the studio vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Stay tuned for all the cool, amazing stuff and new items that are going to be coming out. I'm really excited for everything. And again, thank you so much for watching. Thank you for everybody who subscribed. And once again, don't forget to subscribe. If you have any ideas of what you would like to watch, comment down below. If you're a new subscriber, go ahead and comment down below so I can give you big thank yous. But for now, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye-bye.